Hello to all my friends out there. So I made a crustless quiche. And I made this quiche a little bit different. I made it with regular powdered milk. I usually use evaporated milk, full strength, out of the can. But I thought, wow, you know, what if I didn't have any evaporated milk? You know, what would happen? So I'll try it. And then the next thing I want to try, you know, the fried egg replacers. Those egg replacers are good, you know, for like, you know, like a batch of muffins or something like that. But when you try to use them in like a burrito or something, it's horrible. Now let me cut this a little bit. It looks pretty good, actually. So I have hopes for this thing. The only thing I did different is I didn't add a crust. And I used regular milk instead of evaporated milk. So how I tested it to see if it was done is I just poked a hole in it. Okay, so that just goes to show you if the ingredients are going to be good, it's going to taste good. I greased my little pan with some margarine. I added chopped ham, some chopped cheese, any kind of meat, or it could be bacon, it could be chicken, it could be all vegetables, cheese, green onions, crushed red pepper flakes, and then I had a mixture of 2 eggs and 1 cup milk, and it baked 350 until fork inserted comes out clean. So I had this this ham. Where did I buy this stuff? I think it was Albertsons. One day I went and I bought stuff. I had green onions and I had pepper jack cheese. And then I just used my, you know, my powdered milk. I like this brand. The eggs were from Vaughn's. I think the eggs from Vaughn's were kind of worth it. Now next time I want to try the egg replacer, but I think maybe I'll try those in the regular evaporated milk because that will give it a little more fat and less. I mean, I probably could have baked this a little bit more, but it's actually done, and it tastes really good too. I bought the tea at Dollar Tree, 100 bags for $1. Okay, now, I heard that McDonald's wants to jump on the meatless burger thing or the maybe even lab-created meat thing. So tomorrow this diet will be over, and then I think I'm going to start doing some veggie meals again. You know, like bean burritos with cheese, like pasta salads, you know, with garbanzo beans. You know what is really delicious? Pasta salad with garbanzo beans, olives, cucumbers, tomatoes, onions. You just use the garbanzo beans, or you can use peas. I like the idea of knowing, like this ham, okay, evidently we have problems because China has some swine disease. And, you know, supposedly they're really going to show us. Yeah, right. So I think it would be best if all of us started. Okay, you know the meal I had today, and it was the Vienna sausages, fried Vienna sausages and eggs with a little piece of bread. And you guys, stockpile stuff for bread, flour, yeast, salt, pepper, and sugar. Stockpile instant potatoes, stockpile all kinds of pasta, stockpile powdered milk, you know, things that might start getting expensive. And, you know, just prepare a little bit. I would start stockpiling Spam. Like I can get that pork-like Spam at 99 cents only. Okay, I know I like it. Tuna. You know, make sure you have egg replacers so you can bake. You want to have margarine and oil. You know, all the stuff that if you ran out of it. Okay, I would say this, all the stuff you're not going to get at the food bank. And what it looks like to me is they might want us all eating food like we're eating from the food bank. Stockpile up beans, rice, you know, just anything you can think of. You know, you'll think of the things that your family, rice can really, really come in handy. You know, if you have a little meat, you can make some fried rice. You know, with 1 can of Spam, you can make tons of fried rice. So, you know, the meat products might not always be as plentiful as they are now. I hope people are just alarmists. But when McDonald's is going to jump on the meatless hamburger business, that's not a good sign, you guys. So here is my crustless quiche. All you need to know is 2 eggs and 1 cup evaporated milk. I used my powdered milk. It tastes delicious. Okay, you guys, God bless you all.